Hi, I'm Dr. Spencer Lucas. I'm the curator of geology and paleontology at the New Mexico Museum of Natural History and Science in Albuquerque, and I'm here at the Sandia Mountain Natural History Center to talk to you about a place along the trail, one of the main trails, called the fossil area. And when you look behind me, what you see here on the slope are a lot of rocks lying around. Those rocks are pretty much all, or almost all, pieces of limestone, and they have fossil shells in them. They're Pennsylvanian in age, and what they document is a sea that covered most of New Mexico during the Pennsylvanian, which means a little older than about 300 million years ago. One thing that's interesting about this area to me as a geologist is that these rocks, the rocks with the fossil shells in them, are really not in place right here. They've been washed down from places a mile or more up the mountain slope, and they've actually eroded out of a big alluvial fan that covers the ridge that's off to my right and behind me. The bedrock here, though, this is the interesting thing. These limestones are lying around on Triassic bedrock, a much younger rock, which are the youngest bedrock in the Sandia Mountain Natural History Center. And you can see the Triassic rocks really well upslope from me. They're red and purplish mudstones, or some people would call them shales, that represent rivers that flowed through this area, river floodplains, about 220 million years ago. So the fossil area is a place where visitors to the center will come to collect these fossils. But again, these fossils have moved down the mountain slope a little. They're just a little bit out of place. They're what a geologist would call exotic or float or something, just displaced rocks, debris that's lying around on the slope.